Let's get more on this now with Nadia Al-Bilasi in Dubai. She's a senior market analyst at Equiti Group. Hi there, Nadia. Now, how significant is China's rebound from its 6-year lows for investors?
Hi, Taiba. Thank you for having me. I think there's a real wide issue with China's economy right now. We've been getting a lot of negative data, and despite CPI rising slightly than the levels that we saw in July, still they are facing consumption issues. And the Shanghai Composite is actually is really pressured at these times. And also the country is struggling with foreign investment as major banks also try to pull out of all the investments that they had in store for China and going to different kind of emerging markets than China. So I think now it's basically we're just going to be looking for any economic indicators that should support or help boost expectations for China. But I think so far, it definitely has been dented, and this was reflected by the poor economic indicators that we've been seeing all throughout this past week.
Let's take a look at India now. With rising inflation, what impact could this have on the economic outlook for India?
So I think there's definitely going to be a change in monetary policy. I think the Republic Bank of India was supposed to, or as markets widely anticipated, that we're going to see the start of the easing cycle starting December. But now as inflation grows and is expected to even grow further, this is going to really pressure the Republic Bank of India. And I think that just as CPI grows from 3.60 to 3.65, and in September, in the next month, it's expected to also grow further in the end of September. Also, amid schools and it's already higher food prices, and now with school starting, I think inflation is bound to pick up again, which is going to put the Indian bank in a really tough spot to change its monetary policy.
Right, and there are also reports of Samsung workers striking in India. How might this impact its stock performance and operations currently?
Definitely, it could impact the Nifty, and basically Samsung accounts for at least a quarter of Korea's GDP. So it's not going to be great for Samsung stock either. And I think just workers, they want better working conditions and they want higher pay. And I think with even despite rising inflation in India, there's still a problem with higher wages. I think that workers are taking still lower wages. We haven't seen inflation pick up because of the wage growth, but only food prices.
All right, Nadia Al-Bilasi, senior market analyst at Equiti Group. Thank you very much as always.
Thank you for having me.